Hi guys, today I'm going to be trying the pickle glaze sandwich from Popeyes. Now a little thing here is I've already tried the sandwich and I didn't get the pickles or the pickle lemonade, so it's just the sandwich. Okay, I got the sweet heat sauce. This is my favorite sauce from like any fast food place. Then I got the sandwich. So hopefully they loaded it up with the pickle glaze. Guys, what's this? It doesn't look too good, but it's okay. And their fries are disgusting, so I could not get those fries. I got the mac and cheese instead. They should make pickle mac and cheese because that would be good. And then of course for the drink I got a strawberry Fanta. This is my favorite drink from Popeyes, and usually when I get chicken tenders from here, they give me like 2 extra tenders. So, and they would give me a large drink. Prices are going up, drinks are getting smaller. It's really good. I forgot to get water. This is the sandwich. The pickle glaze kind of tastes weird today, and they didn't put a lot on there at all. So, now I need to get my sauce. This is my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, let's try it. I didn't really get much chicken. It's good. Guys, it's a chicken sandwich with like extra pickle on it. It already has pickles on it. The pickle glaze is just dill. Like, it's good. But it's definitely not the best thing I've ever had in my life. But it is good. If you're gonna go to Popeyes, I think you should get the ghost pepper chicken sandwich. Unless you don't like spicy stuff. In that case, I still think you should get the ghost pepper one because you really need to up your spice tolerance. What are you gonna do in life if you can't handle spicy food? I'm already starting to break out from this, so that's really nice. I'm gonna open the mac and cheese so I can eat it with my sandwich. Guys, I know I'm just a hater, but their mac and cheese tastes like it's been washed in water and then like sprinkled with cheese on top, because I think that's like basically what it is it comes in a bag. But it's one of the better mac and cheeses. I think Chick-fil-A has the best mac and cheese. Actually, it tastes better today than it usually does. It's not as watery. There are those birds that pooped on my car. So the pickle glaze is right there. It's orange in color. Honestly, yeah, they kind of did put a lot on here. It tastes like something, but I don't know what. Not good. Not a good taste like something. I do like the crispy chicken. I love crispy chicken. Like, if I could just have all the crisp and like hardly any chicken, that's what I want. So Popeyes is perfect for that. I love their chicken. I'm a picky eater. I've only grown pickier. All I really eat is fried chicken, or all I really enjoy eating is fried chicken and ice cream and sushi. I don't know if my skin's getting worse or if it's getting better. I'm gonna have to look back. But I just have really sensitive skin, so if I even like touch my face, it's gonna get red. Okay, the fur from my car seats is getting on my sandwich. I know it is. I'm gonna put the rest of my mac and cheese and eat it like that. See, this is what happened last time too. There's one little corner where like some of the sauce goes. Okay, well the chicken sandwich is gone. I'd rate it probably like, hold on. I'd probably rate it 6 out of 10. The only thing is the pickle glaze, and I feel like if they like fried the chicken in the pickle glaze or something like that. I don't know what they do with the ghost pepper one that makes it the ghost pepper. Maybe they only put sauce on that one too, but you just can't really taste the pickle glaze unless you're like scraping the pickle glaze off the packaging. So if you're a regular person and like enjoy food regularly, then you probably like the sandwich. But for me, like, it tastes like a chicken sandwich. That's a plus. I love chicken sandwiches, especially the one from Popeyes. And then it just has an extra flavor of dill. It doesn't really taste like pickle glaze. It just tastes like dill glaze that's orange. And then of course it already has the pickles on there, so. But yep, I still give it, what did I say, 6 out of 10? Okay, I will give it a 7 out of 10. Then if you put mac and cheese on it, it makes it taste better. So with mac and cheese on it, it's probably 8 out of 10. Anyway, overall, it's just a chicken sandwich. I think the ghost pepper chicken sandwich is better. If you like ghost pepper or you like pickles, pickle glaze, get the ghost pepper because it tastes so much better and it just has more going for it. Don't get the pickle glaze unless you don't like the spicy stuff. Well, that's it, folks. Thank you for watching my video. Like I said, I'm probably gonna go get ice cream, maybe. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.